Hello, I hope you can hear me. All right. So, this is my GitHub account, and this is, you can say it, the GitHub profile. How we create this? We create this repository using our GitHub username. All right. Now, let me simply zoom in for you. Here, if I simply scroll down, you can see that I have added uh, the content of my two YouTube channels. This is from the YouTube channel, the English YouTube channel, the channel in which you are watching this video right now. Most probably, if you are watching from YouTube, after I upload the streaming recording there, and this is from my Bengali YouTube channel, but I have already discontinued this Bengali YouTube channel. That means I'm not gonna upload anything on my Bengali YouTube channel because I'm gonna shift permanently to my this English brand channel. All right. Now, if you don't know how I did this, let me show you something first. So yeah, I know that I can edit this repository from my GitHub browser as well, but I will show you how to do that from my local machine so that you can do that too if you want. All right. So I can simply go to my this repository, and I can simply click code and I can clone it using the SSH. All right. So after cloning it, after getting the SSH URL, what I need to do, I need to clone it, right? So I can simply use git clone, and that's it. All right. Then I can open it in my Visual Studio Code. Cool. Now let me show you something first. If I simply open my Readme, you can see it right here, right? And this is the output. All right. So you can see the recent 5 videos from my YouTube channel, both from my English brand YouTube channel and English brand YouTube channel, right? But the interesting thing is I don't type those here. All right. I have created a bot that simply fetches the latest recent 5 videos and replace those with these, and it does that frequently as I have instructed it to do so, right? So where I did that, let me simply open my .github directory, and from here workflows, and here you can see I have 3 YAML file. One is blog articles YAML. This simply update my blog post from hashnode. YouTube bengali.yaml, this simply fetch data from my Bengali YouTube channel and replace those data here. Let me show you first. Where is it? Where it is? Yes, this is it. You see, I have added the name YouTube Bengali, YouTube videos list Bengali start and end, and between these two lines, whatever you are seeing right here, all of them are generated by the GitHub bot. I don't configure or I don't edit anything here. All right. Let me show you something first. This tag name is important because this tag name identifies which YAML file will run under this tag. All right. Where I get this, you see here. In the YouTube Bengali, let me simply close the Explorer so that you can see better, right? So in this YouTube Bengali YAML file, I have added the comment tag name as YouTube videos list Bengali. All right. And I have added the same tag name here, YouTube videos list Bengali. What I simply did, I simply add start and end, and these lines are generated automatically. For example, let me show you something different. Let me simply change the tag name from this to Bengali test, and I'm gonna rename it to this as well. YouTube videos list Bengali test start and YouTube video test end, and I can simply delete the data between them. Now let me simply save it, and let me simply push the changes to my GitHub. So what I can do, I can check the git status data. All right. git commit testing the bm git push origin master, because I have hosted it on my master branch. Now let me simply reload it, and I see the changes have been made. Now I want to show you how it works, because there is nothing here, right? I have simply deleted it, but I'm going to show you if I simply run the workflow, it would generate the data for me. So for now, let me simply go to actions, and from here YouTube videos Bengali, because I have named it like there, and simply run workflow, branch master, run workflow. Workflow run was successfully requested. It has been started. Update this repos readme. Complete job. Alright. Let me simply show you whether it's working or not. You see, although I have deleted this data, it has generated all of this. I mean, this workflow bot did this for me. And you can see that it has already run 7022 times already and did its job. All right. So yeah, I know that you might have question in your mind, like how you can do this as well, right? But don't worry, as I'm gonna show you how you can use this type of workflow bot in your GitHub account to update with the latest videos automatically, so that the work has been done automatically, like you can say an automation process, so you don't necessarily need to do anything else later. All right, but for today's video I'm gonna simply delete this, because why not? I have already discontinued my Bengali brand channel, so I don't need it anymore. So I am simply gonna clear decluttering up. I also can do that manually, I mean from my local machine. Before that, let me simply synchronize the changes, so I can simply pull the changes, git pull origin master. It have added the changes. All right, now what I need to do, I need to simply delete this YAML file, and let me commit the changes as well. For example, git add, git commit, remove Bengali YouTube ML, and as I have already deleted that, I can simply remove this data from my readme file like this. So that's it, and now I can simply add these changes and commit data from readme and push, git push origin master. Now if I simply go to my GitHub and reload this page, you see this is not there. All right, I have made a mistake because I have forgot to remove this line from my readme file. Let me simply remove that real quick, so I can simply remove this div, and that's it. And before this, buy me a coffee, I can simply add a breakpoint so that it creates a space between them, and I can add the changes again. Git add readme, git commit, same for now, git push origin master. And let me simply check my GitHub account again. All right, it looks cool, but I can't delete this as well because I don't continue my Bengali YouTube channel anymore. So how can I do that? Let me simply open my Visual Studio Code. Let me simply go here. I like to Teach others programming and technical stuff. I have to brand YouTube channels. No, I don't. I have a YouTube brand channel and English content. Fahim, Amin. Let me simply add it here. I have a YouTube brand channel, and after that I can simply add the URL. All right, now if I simply click here, file was not found. youtube.com. all right, I have created additional brackets, but I don't need that. It should do the work. Yes, it's working. Cool, right? So let me simply check again whether it's correct or not. If it's correct, I can simply push the changes to my remote, right? So I have a YouTube brand channel. Brand channel. I teach programming and technical stuff regularly. Let me simply add one thing more. I also stream on Twitch. Cool. It has get that part. The URL is not right. What was the URL? The URL was something like Fahim bin Amin. Yep, this is my Twitch URL. Now let me simply change it from Fahim FBA to Fahim bin Amin. I like to teach others about programming and technical stuff. I have a YouTube brand channel. I have a brand YouTube channel. Sorry, I have brand YouTube channel where I teach programming and technical stuff regularly. I also stream on. I also stream on Twitch, not regularly right now. So that's it. I also write articles frequently. All right. Connect with me. I can keep this for now. Let me simply remove the extra spacing because I think now it looks nicer. So I can simply commit these changes like git add, readme, git commit, remove bn, write data, git push origin master, and now if I want to see the changes right here, I can simply reload this landing page. And yeah, all right, one more thing. As I have only one YouTube channel right now, so I don't necessarily need to use that because it looks kind of redundant. Don't you think so? I think so, at least. So how can I do that? All right, recent articles on FreeCodeCamp, recent videos on YouTube English branch. I can simply remove this. Now it looks good, I guess. Moreover, I can change the URL as well as my latest URL. So let me simply grab that latest URL real quick from here, and let me simply replace the URL from here. fahimbinamin / Fahim Amin, image source Fahim, title English channel with. Let me simply check it out. If I simply click here, it takes me to my YouTube channel. So it looks cool, right? Recent videos on YouTube, everything looks great. So that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Now let me simply add the changes. So I can use git add readme and git commit uh, minor delete deletion to it master. Let me simply check it here again. Yeah, now it looks good, right? It looks good. So that's it. That's all about today's small stream. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want, you can follow me in GitHub, GitLab, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I'll provide all of the link in the YouTube videos description box as well. Make sure to check my website as well, which is fahimbinamin.com. fahimbinamin amin.com. And yeah, that's it. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video or most probably in another stream. Till then, take care, ta